Commander Biro. Njani Commander?
Ngiphila Commander kunjani kuwe?
Hayi siyaphila.
Yeah, Commander morning.
Commander morning. Siyabonga Commander. Ngithi ake ngixoxe nawe kafishane nje as iWard 13 member and leader. Because silana nje kulo msebenzi obaleka kangaka Commander Treasure nibuye wadini elilodwa. Mhlawumbe khona ongasibekela nje kona kancane ngawe ne relationship yakho no Commander uTreasure esize ngayo la namhlanje.
Commanders ngizoqhubeka nje ngiphuma khona eWard 13 uTreasure siphuma naye eWard 13 so besisonke ewadini elilodwa sisebenza sonke ngokuzekhandla eWard 13 eWard 13 iyona iwadi mhlawumbe engathi lahamba kakhulu ngama numbers wamavoti ku2024 sivotela lokhetho la 2024 hayi khandla naye uTreasure yena bekangabhekanga iWard 13 kuphela kodwa egcineni kwawo konke wagcina akhona eWard 13 ngoba ngeke ngaba nenkinga eziningi kwenye kwamavities so kodwa ngagcina ngenaye wangilekelela sasebenza ngoba iWard 13 yakhe actually kakhulu nje kule VD enama numbers amaningi besithi noma sesenza i-door to door nayo besigcina i-door to door sike sayenza kwaze kwaphela izinsuku mhlawumbe eziyela ko6 kanje ngoba besiyayisithi masingena eWard 13 uthi mawungena eWard 13 kule VD ele moving church bafike bakuhlalise phansi bakuthela itiya bakuthelela ijuzi bathi nina nibantu abamsholozi umsholozi uye wasibeka la sikhona khona kule ndawo lena kwasidinga lokho ukuthi sithathe amalanga ukuze sicede ukwenza i-door to door lapha sagcina futhi nakhona singaqedanga sabona ukuthi vele le ndawo eyakho baba umsholozi siyilwa nabo Commander Treasure njengamanje nje sila kule ndawo ngayo Commander Treasure esiphuma naye ewadini eli1 kodwa nje ngithi ama comrades aseWard 13 nama comrades onke eWard 13 sizoqhubeka sibambe besilwa okunye no Treasure neWard lethu 13 kunomgodi okhona ngale Ward 13 namanje besisakhuluma ngawo ongaqhubeka ngomali soloko sisafighta kona nethi nako wasusu uyabaleka kumfowethu naye wagcina saphelele khona kodwa ngizoqhubeka ngibambe
kuyezwakala mfethu ngibona kunama commander agqoke igepa zamanye ama political party la okungeyona we-MK party khona ongakuphawula ngalo
kusho ukuthi uCommander Treasure uke wasebenzisana namanye wama political parties afana nabo ANC EFF so njobo wabona uTreasure bekuwumuntu wabantu omphakathi wonkana wasemkhondo abanye beze ngoba bazosingatha umndeni wakibo wakathabede balethwe yiloko kakhulu abaningi abanye bake basebenza nabo kulawo ma political party wabo so abasikwazi ukuthi sinabo singabaphushela ekudeni sibamukele ngezandla ezimhlophe ethozani kodwa egcineni ama membership form wabo akhona sizabanika ama membership form sekhaya la siyaphila la kwa MK
siyabonga kakhulu Commander siyabonga mfowethu umsebenzi omuhle niwenzile no Commander siyawubona futhi usazobonakala
sibonga thina
siyabonga comrade njani mfowethu
siyaphila mfowethu
siyaphila kodwa comrade ubani
uphila sande wakhumali sibongo
phila sande wakhumali namhla silana sizofihla iqhawe lethu uTreasure Thabede ngiyabona ukhona nawe lapho makhona ongakusho mhlambe omazi ngawo uTreasure ongathanda ukuveza la sikuzwe
kodwa unzima umbuzo wakho mangathi ngibuza ukuthi khona engikwaziyo ngalo mvoye ngingathatha usuku lonke
ngathatha unyaka
wonke embo sikhuluma ngeqhawe la yabona but we are not surprised because njengoba naku obituary yakhe kushiwo it's not something that he picked up on the streets. This is something that he was born with. He comes from a very revolutionary family here. When we go back into the very tiresome times, ala Mkhondo, Uliwa, Ugubi, his grandfather was one of those people in the forefront. Leading liberation Mkhondo lapho esikhona namuhla. Treasure Thabede is a brother, a friend, a comrade, a colleague. We've crossed all those borders with him. My first interaction with Treasure Thabede when we formed the EFF, when the EFM was formed in 2013, he's one of those people, knowing Guti, he was very instrumental in the community, that we approached to speak to him about the issues and the conditions that were happening in Umkhonto.
Yeah.
And he responded positively to that call.
Yeah.
He's a founding member of the EFF here in Umkhonto.
Yeah.
And that speaks to the character and nature of who Treasure Tabete was.
Yes. Yeah.
Political parties that you see here today are not here because of political reasons. They are here because they understand and they know Loya Muntu Loya. Mfowethu Loyana in every aspect. Kunengi uma singathi obituary yakhe ifundiwe.
Yeah.
Activism yakhe has not just been political from school level, where he was a SRC president, to a point where even as an individual, hundreds of students, young people, were registered by this young man.
Yeah.
There are people who are working today, there are people who are doctors today because of this young man. This young man was a very educated young man, by the way. He could have been working anywhere in South Africa or the world, because South Africa was too small for him with the capacity he had.
Yes, masters for public admin and
bana bekaphiwe ngenye indlela, kodwa ngoba lento bekayizele la emhlabeni, lento uNkulunkulu bekamthumele yona la emhlabeni. Yes, beyinencwadi kodwa bekuyile umphakathi akekho bekawuthanda umphakathi. There are many initiatives, NPOs that he has started. I'm not just talking NPOs lawa wethu sebakhoneni, talking NPOs that have had impact la emkhonto. More than 150 students that were enrolled by him personally. Sourcing those funds, sourcing their transports and all those things such as that. Then he got to the municipality where he was LED manager. The municipality will have to themselves glorify the Treasure. I'm disappointed we have not seen the municipality acknowledging the role and the impact that Treasure Tabete has had because of political reasons. But masekunjena bafethu kumele siphinde sikhohlwe ile ikipa zethu and sikhombise lobuntu.
Ngithi ngisazobuza kona nje ukuthi ngibona ugqoka iskipa se-EFF kodwa uzofihla iqabane le-MK party. So lokho kungenza ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ukuhamba kukaCommando Treasure ngabe khona mhlambe okubonakala kuncisha kona njengoba nisele lingama comrade ukuthi mhlambe iunity mhlambe lesoyibona later kusetshenziswana njengabantu abamnyama.
Isifiso sethu thina yabona, because ngizokhuluma njengathi njengabantwana bomkhonto. Our aim of joining these political parties was not to divide umkhonto. It was always with an interest yokubona umkhonto ungcono. We all started in our different parties for different reasons. But into njalo Treasure, even his last activism, uma sizoyikhumbula kahle, shaya imashi ayisa kumasipala. He was the one in the forefront. I remember MK sonke sazi ukuthi he's leading the MK at national level. He's also a leader there.
But you were behind him.
Washo yena wathi lana ngoba sizolwela umkhonto ngicela sonke sikhumule ikipa zethu ngoba yizo lezi ezisihlukanisayo. That was who Treasure was. Treasure was saying nami sengizopolitika kancane. Sengingamclaim nje iMK ukuthi iMK ngizobekisa ngathi iEFF ihlanganisa 12 years kulonyaka. iANC ina 100 and bani. MK inonyaka akusho ukuthi kulomdlelwane benu na Treasure nazana nje unyaka.
Yabo nina nimazi for 12 years.
Thina nathi asikwazi ukumclaima lapha abuya khona futhi even beyond. But ngoba yena umfowethu besakhethile for his own reasons. Futhi esiwaziyo very clearly because ngeke sibengafihli. We are here because this is what he represented. Treasure Tabete represented unity. Treasure Tabete represented umkhonto. And then njengoba silana sizoseka siyiqembu kodwa futhi sizoseka umfowethu singabantu basemkhonto. Siyabonga mfowethu, siyabonga yabona ibhlungu lento ukuthi kuba real ukuthi we give you your flowers when you are no longer around to smell them. We are painful ngaloko. Lala kahle mfana kithi. Lala kahle ngeke kodwa ulale kahle umkhonto usasenje. Kubi, and we promise we will not let the spear get buried by the soil while we are alive. we will die with the spear that you will hand it over to us, even if it means that nathi we must follow your path. But you have opened the way. And they say siyayibona iyakhanya mfana kithi, siyabonga kakhulu Treasure Tabete, we appreciate you. We love you. When uyazi ke besiphikisana silwa kubanjani, but that was who Treasure was. Njengoba uzwa nawo ama leaders e-MK asho, Treasure was a person who was very honest, very loving, very honest,
and not real.
The way yena lokho, and noma enzim are wrong ukulokho uzobuya apologize.
Police.
So ngalokho man sibhlungu. But at the same time we are inspired because njengoba sila ukhombisa le unity yakho mfowethu.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu comrades, siyabonga kakhulu nathi nje siyathobeka.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Kwakweni la siyanibonga mfethu.
Thank you.
Command. Hamba kahle.
Angiyaphila kunje commander.
Command bani kodwa?
Ucommander phana namkona lona Ward 18 eDriefontein.
Yes.
Kodwa sengahlala edolobheni ngokuba isigulinyana.
Commander, sila namhlanje sizofihla iqhawe uCommander Treasure Tabete. Akuphawule mfethu ongakusho nje ngoCommander Treasure officer sikwahle.
Emfo ukuhlangana kwami no Commander Tabete. Ngihlangana naye la kwa MK.
Yes.
Kule inhlangano esibiya kizo ngeke ngize ngiyibale. Bengingakazi ngibona. But nje kule inhlangano le MK ukhona lapho engambona khona ukuthi ulisotsha 1. Elingagqoki uniform. Ulisotsha lokuthi ufundile. Ulisotsha lokuthi uyamazi umuntu omnyama. Ngingamfanisa noJacob Zuma uTreasure Tabete. Ngingamfanisa noJacob Zuma. uJacob Zuma lento ayenzile ukuthi asungule umkhonto wesizwe. Bekabona ingqindezelo esiphezulu kwayo afuna ukuthi sibe nenkululeko. Inkululeko siyayibona iyasondela. Le ndoda lena ekuthiwa uThabete yemvumo ngingambala ngendlela elihlukahlukene. Engingakusho nje ukuthi bengiphila ngayo. La kade khona besihlezi sikhona kuma program sihamba yonke indawo sisiza umphakathi. Kumanje besibhizi ngama program ama wheelchair. Siphansi phezulu nale ndoda. Le ndoda lena okwamanje asibeke ngokuzotha sibeke ukuthula. Anginako okuningi kakhulu mfowethu. Sibuhlungu akukhulumeki. Na unenhlanhla nje usikhulumise. Akhulumeke mfowethu. Silapha nje encobeni wakhe sifuna endaweni yakhe ukugcina sigade nomzila. Yonke into nje istandard. Ngiyabonga bhuti sibuhlungu kakhulu silahlekelwe mfowethu.
Hayi siyabonga mfowethu makukhona nje asishiyele elisohamba nako siphambili. Ngiyajabula ukuzona.
Siyabonga.
Rest in peace Commander Treasure Tabete sokukhumbula. Commander unjani Commander?
Commander Zimoni.
Commander ubani kodwa?
Igama loCommander uSakelo kaMtambo Sibongo.
Yes.
La eMkhondo sub-region.
Sasihle escape ngibona nombhalo omuhle kakhulu ngoCommander Treasure. Okuyasho ukuthi umuntu obebaleke kakhulu empilweni yeni yakho especial.
Commander ungasho ukuphinde lo Commander manje isimele kakhulu Commander manje shaya ikhanda isimata seMkhondo sub-region. Not per se uMkhondo sub-region but then the whole Mpumalanga as well as South Africa basimaze kakhulu Commander bashaya ikhanda Commander. Kodwa Commander sikhano akunankinga ukuthi sibeke kanye zomdalo Commander. Kubalala lekhona kwasamexabalele sadlala kwasamiguqa ngamadoda.
So nje kafushane mangabuza kukhona okuthile ongakusho ngozomkhumbula ngako Commander Treasure.
Commander ngiyabonga lo mbuzo wakho Commander. Commander ngifundisa into eziningi Commander. Kuningi kade sigijima khona Commander most especially lezinto ezithinta indaba zomsebenzi. I-Commander wasigijima kakhulu Commander. Kulabantu abahlukumezekayo emsebenzini. Kunabomama kade basebenza lapho izinto zeyigolo lezi ababaphekayo nabaklinayo abakade bathiminisela ama-contractors wabo kodwa ngokungekho emthethweni. Sahamba noCommander sokho sagijima sokuba Commander Mfuqeni nkosami noCommander lele lakhona nkosami esibhedlela iCommander nankosami saqoqimana elilulami. Sasigijima nawo ama-Commander sobe lapho sami nabazali bethu nkosami abazayi ukuthi kumele bahambe bavuke bahambe bawolela ingane zabo for isinkwa ukuthi sibalule baphinde babuyele emsebenzini. Asigcina-ke lapho eCommander pensana ka-Department of Labour ngoba kunama-heavies ama-rumors ukuthi-ke ama-commissioners esikhathini esiningi bavamise ukuthatha ama-bribery ukuthi mase sekuphuma i-judgment esikhathini esiningi iphinde ivune umqashi. Sahlala-ke nabo bonke abaphathi bakhona-ke nkosami baka-CCMA nabaka-Labour sakulungisa konke lokho. Ingakho nje manje isikhathi esibona abasebenzi abaningi bayijabule kade bakhona khona.
Ngiyabezwa nalanje abanye bayakhuluma khona la etendeni. ukuthi kodwa bakithi sesiyosizwa njani emsebenzini yethu ngoba sisebenza nje manje kungenxa ka-Command Treasure. Khona ongakusho lokho njengoba sehambile uma ngakuvela igameke kanjalo sekuyohamba kanjani niyoqhubeka lapha agcine khona.
Sithi kubo bonke abasebenzi nakubahlali basemkhono kuzo zonke izimo abathintekayo kuzo ikhomanda nje balihambile nje nathi lisishiyile sithi bangalahli ithemba sosala la siqhubeke la agcine khona ukhomanda siyakuthembisa lokho and okuningi sibe sifaka kuyo futhi umfutho bese sifakele ukuthi Command Treasure lakalele khona out nami ngashiya amaqabane engawagruma khomanda.
Siyabonga kakhulu khomanda. Siyabonga niphile khomanda. Sanibona futhi basibona la sekubhekwe emathuneni ke manje lapho ikhomanda lethu liyofika khona. Kodwa sengiphelelwa ibhetri ke mina. Okuningi ngeke kusavela. Ningixolele kakhulu bafowethu. Ibhetri liyangishaya manje. Sizocisha noma nini ikhamera yami. Kodwa iwanibona. Umcimbi uhambe kahle kakhulu. Basibonile. Yes. Command Treasure bengumuntu womphakathi ngoba sibona bahlangana wonke umuntu. Even different political parties. Abantu abamnyama khona. Umuntu omkhulu kakhulu. Ngibalekela Sibura, khamba kanjani khomanda? Ngiyakubona ubhizi kuyale nale kuyaphithizela mfowethu kodwa nale thutshana. Uhamba njani umcimbi so far so good?
Manje sase-right yonkhipha noma
konke kuqondile.
Phansi phezulu namhlanje.
Siyabonga khomanda, ngiyabona umcimbi neuhlele kahle kakhulu konke kuhamba ngendlela. Nabaholi bethu siyababona kuphelele bonke esijinja lo njani. Ungasho nje mhlambe a few seconds ungakusho njengoba sekubhekwe emathuneni.
Engakusho nje ukuthi sibuhlungu kakhulu ngoba ngasho ngaqala yabona manje engingakholwa ukuthi lento iyenzeka kuba namanje vele kuyenzeka sona vele nje sibuhlungu kakhulu ikhomanda lethu nje sithembile sithi vele lizosihola ngokukahle kodwa namhlanje lishile yabona nje ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo sekhani understand manje vele ikhomanda lihamba
yeah but in reality sets in hayi kuzolunga khomanda siyabonga.